calling all book lovers, educators, and young readers. Get ready for Sahitha Warsha, a one-of-a-kind literary festival happening at St. Anthony's Church, Nainamadama this March 21st, 22nd, and 23rd. Organized by the ReadPlus and Nainamadama Church, this event is a paradise for readers of all ages. Parents, teachers, and young readers, this is your chance to explore how books shape young minds. Let's celebrate the magic of storytelling together. And it doesn't stop there. The Sahitha Warsha Book Fair is open on all 3 days from 9 a.m. to 8 p.m. Find amazing books, meet publishers, and take home your next favorite read.